Alright, in this video I'm just going to do two quick examples. This is coming from the triangle sum pages in our tan CUDA worksheet. So number 10 is on page 23. So I just drew my own example of number 10 here and make it bigger. So this is the information we're given. We have this diagram. We have these four angles actually, and we're trying to solve for the question mark. So the first thing you got to remember is that there's 180 degrees in a triangle. So that's going to help us find this angle here. So 180 minus 94 minus 31 leaves us with 55. So that goes in there. Second thing you have to know is what this box means, which I know all of you know. It means it's a 90-degree angle. So to get my next angle, I do 90 minus 55. That's going to leave me with 35. And now you can see we have another three angles that make up a triangle. If I do 180 minus 85 minus 35, I get 60 degrees. And that's our answer. That's it. Pretty basic. Next example I'm doing is number 25. Here's my rudimentary drawing of number 25. This is on page 24, next page. Okay. Now, when we're doing these problems, I tell kids to look out for right angles, linear pairs, and vertical angles, okay? So this is what we're going for. We got to start with what we know. So first of all, I see three linear pairs right off the bat that I can fill in here. So these two angles here will add up to 180. So I'm going to get 65 degrees there. These two angles will add up to 180, so I get 20 degrees that goes in there. These two angles are going to add up to 180. So I get 90 degrees there. Now you can see, now that we filled these in, I have two angles of a triangle. So if I subtract 65 and 20 from 180, that leaves me with a 95. Okay, now at this point you might get stuck because you're like, well, I only have one angle of this triangle, but these three angles here make a straight line. They're a linear trio, if you will. So 180 minus 95 minus 50 leaves me with 35 degrees, and now you can see if I subtract 35 and 90 from 180, I get 55 degrees, which is our final answer. So when you're doing these problems, just be on the lookout for those things I mentioned, the linear pairs, the vertical angles, the right angles, and remember that 180 degrees are in a triangle, and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.